Welcome to my Data Storage TV, a channel which is dedicated to bringing you the business intelligence using Power BI and the SQL Server Azure Database. Today, we'll be talking about the copying data from API to Azure SQL Database. So first of all, we will discuss what's an API and why we are talking about the API. So what's an API? An API is application programming interface, which allows the connection between computers or between computers program. It enables exchange data functionality easily and securely from different systems locally and non-local. An API also enables businesses or individuals to open their application data and functionality to external third-party developers and business partners. The advantage of this, look for this example. For example, you have a business where they have one company which is have their software which they is already in operational, and the other business they have need of that software. However, they also want to use that data on that particular software. So what happens sometimes, the business will see the need to use the API, and the API will be able to connect the source data to the business where they need that data, and so that it can be developed further, or it can be used on their system for analysis purposes. So on this particular video, we'll be talking about Azure Data Factory copy activity. This activity allows you to copy the data from different sources and storing that data into your desired location, i.e. Azure database. So this is just an example of an API, REST API. So this is where you're getting our dummy data, and you are putting that data to our SQL Server, Azure SQL Server database. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I'll be presenting how to copy the data. Thank you.